So, students, as we have discussed the chapter banking, we have discussed the meaning of RTGS and the meaning of NEFT, and we have discussed also the meaning of e-banking and the types of e-banking. So, now we'll move to the meaning of IMPS. So, IMPS stands for Immediate Payment Services. Immediate Payment Services means the payment or remittance of funds from one bank to another bank. So, this payment or remittance of funds from one point of place to another place, it helps to facilitate the transfer of funds. So, this IMPS, which stands for Immediate Payment Services, is being conceptualized and is being developed by the and facilitated by the National Payment Corporation of India, means NPCI. So IMPS stands for Immediate Payment Services, which has been facilitated by the National Payments Corporation of India, and the purpose of IMPS is to remit or transfer the instant fund in the real time, means there is no waiting period for it, means the transfer of funds takes place instantly and spontaneously. And IMPS is very much reliable, dependable, it's very much flexible, and it's cheap, that is inexpensive and economical too. So the IMPS working is that it tries to remit or transfer the funds from one bank to another bank, means it's interbank transfer of funds. And the IMPS is being very much popular nowadays because it's the digital payment or e-payment system, because our country India has a lot of population, exactly over 1.3 billion of population, and each one of them are youths, and the youths are using the technological gadgets, and the youth always prefer online mode of payment. So this IMPS services has become a very what do you say, a very favorite nowadays. Each and everyone is using the digital payment gateway. So this IMPS is very safe, very reliable, and very economic and convenient source of method, because it is working 24/7, and it is working 365 days, means 24 hours it's working, 7 days, 365 days a year. So this we'll have a look. So immediate payment services, as we have discussed, IMPS means immediate payment services, which is an instant spontaneous money transfer, which is being developed and facilitated by the National Payment Corporation of India, and hence this IMPS services allows people to transfer, to remit the funds from one place to another. This is an interbank transfer fund system, and it happens on a real time basis, means it does not have any waiting period. And therefore this services facilitates interbank transfer through internet banking, through mobile banking, because there are several payment gateways through UPIs, which allows the people to take the help of IMPS, that is immediate money services, means immediate payment you can do it. And it has become a very high preferable mode, because our India, our country has a lot of population, and the most of the population are youths, and the youths are very tech savvy. Each one of carry the smartphones, and they instead of paying in cash, they are being using the payment of that is electronic banking, and they are banking in terms of instant money transfer through the IMPS. And this IMPS is very dependable, reliable, it is very flexible and economical, because it works 24/7 and 365 days a year. So this is the meaning of IMPS. So all of you students, You need to just go through this point, grab the meaning and concept of it, and write down the meaning of IMPS, jot down in your commerce copies, and if you find any problem, then you can text me.